When getting a new iPhone, transferring data, photos, messages, apps from your old device is essential. Quick Start offers a fast solution, but does it transfer everything? In this video, we'll see if Quick Start moves all your data and if it's the solution you need. Part 1. Does Quick Start transfer everything? Here's a list of data and file types that Quick Start can move: apps, photos and videos, messages and conversations, settings and preferences, contacts, email accounts, calendar events. Part 2. How to use Quick Start to transfer everything during setup. Turn on your new iPhone and place it next to your old iPhone. Wait for the setup prompt to appear on your old iPhone. Tap Continue to confirm your Apple ID. An animation will appear on your new iPhone. Scan it with your old iPhone. Wait for your new iPhone to activate. Once it's done, a message will appear saying, "Done on new iPhone." Enter your old iPhone's passcode to set up Face ID or Touch ID on your new device. On the Transfer Data from iPhone screen, tap Continue to start moving your data. Part 3. A better way to transfer data from iPhone to iPhone after setup. If Quick Start isn't available, or you've set up your iPhone, you'll need another way to transfer data. Mobican Transfer for Mobile helps move all data or selected files between iPhones and Android devices. Step 1. Download and install Transfer for Mobile on your computer. Open the program and connect both iPhones to your computer using compatible USB cables. If a prompt appears on your phone asking to trust this computer, tap Trust. Step 2. Once Transfer for Mobile is launched, wait for it to detect both iPhones. The devices will be displayed on the screen. Ensure the old iPhone is on the left and the new iPhone is on the right. If not, click the flip button to swap their positions. Step 3. In the center of the interface, choose the data types you want to transfer. Then click Start Copy to begin the process. All that's left is to wait for the transfer to complete.